Thutha wa aikari ya itura ria Chakama kaunti ya Kilifi kwamukira riboti, muiretu muitariano Silvia Romano uria wanyititwo migwate itura-ini riu niarekereirio ni aria mamunyitite migwate. Aikari aya ni marokire nyumba-ini ria Silvia Romano aikaraga. Aige ao makiririkana wega utuku uria muiretu uyu anyitirwo migwate ni itoi miaka iri mihetoku.
I remember the day they came and asked for Silvia, and they took her, they beat her, and they went away with her. But now we are more happy that she is alive and she is safe. So we thank God for this. They were many and they had some guns, and I managed to help her, but one of them beated me with a stick, so I couldn't help her anymore.
Aige ao magitariria uria miturire ya aige yagarurukire kuma riri-ini wa mwihoko wa muturire nginyagia irima-ini ria gitangiiko kia muturire, kuona Silvia kugerera kiungano kia Africa Mirere ni ateithagiriria arutwo kuriha mbeca cia mathomo o hamwe na uteithio ungi. Riu aikari aya ni marahoya thirikari ya Kenya na iria ya Itari ciitikire Silvia Romano akorwo agicoka itura-ini riri niguo makorwo magikenanira hamwe mbere ya erekeire kwao mucii bururi-ini wa Itari.
Yes, I have heard that Silvia, she has released, but I'm not sure, and I can't believe. If I see her talking in the television, I will be more happy, and I can believe. And if they can, also bring her to Chakama so that we can see her, and then they take her to Itari.
Muiretu uyu uria ni wa miaka 25 anyititwo migwate ni itoi itura-ini ria Chakama kuri tariki 20 mweri-ini wa Novemba mwaka wa 2018 kuria ndumiriri ya kurekererio gwake irekereirio ni Prime Minister wa Itari kugerera mutambo wake wa Twitter. Nyumba ino no ithiete na mbere na gukorwo aha kuria riu aikari a icagi giki gia Chakama marurunganire mari na gikeno thutha wa kunyita riboti ati Silvia Romano niarekereirio ni aria mamunyitite migwate. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma gicagi-ini gia Chakama kaunti ya Kilifi, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.